In this tutorial, I will show you how to make this ladder portrait effect in Photoshop. First of all, create a new document with these details. Download link is in description. Go to select, subject, select move tool and move your image to main document. Adjust image size and position. Now select the text tool by pressing Ctrl J. I am using Gabriel font. Font link is in description. Now choose your text color, what you want. Write the one letter and adjust image size and position. Now drag the layer below subject layer. Right click and select pixels. Select brush tool or eraser tool. Your foreground color is black. Right click and choose hard round brush. Then start the painting. After that, create a gradient layer or radial style. Go to gradient editor, choose first basic. Now change the gradient color using sample color from the cloth. Make a group of text and subject layer. Rename it if you want. Right click and make a duplicate group. Then right click, convert to smart object. Press Ctrl T, right click and choose flip vertical. Adjust the position, follow the process. Add a mask. Choose gradient tool and follow the process. And reduce the opacity. And finally add your text. This is the final result and thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next video.